Okay, this is so refreshing, guys. And it's gonna be fun! Fun! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And this is Calvin, your tourister in Singapore. So for today's vlog, magagala na naman tayo at this time around nasa kabilang dulo tayo ng Singapore, which is Pulau Ubin. So magagala tayo and magbabike probably and sightseeing. So I'll show you guys what we can see in this beautiful island of Singapore. This is my second time, but today I'll be with my colleague. So see you guys later. Bye bye. Sorry guys, excited. Are you guys excited?
Yo, fixin mo kami.
And this is Abby.
Hi!
Gala na naman tayo! So magre-rent muna kami ng bike kasi we're going to cycle the entire island and it's gonna be for the whole day. So we're gonna show you how it looks like and how it's gonna be like. Okay? So I'll show it to you guys later. Bye! Hanggang dito lang. Okay, so I'm with the couple right now and I'm a third wheeler, I guess. Ang hirap maging single, guys. Okay. We're gonna start the cycling now and nasa bungad pa lang kami. Wala pa kami sa kalagitnaan and it's almost 10 a.m. in the morning. So bahala na kung anong oras kami matapos. But it's gonna be a fun day. See you! Yeah! Hi, Beshi. Beshi. And those are my brothers and sister. Say hi! Diba? Cute niya. And we are ready to conquer Pulau Ubin.
Bakla, yung mask ko nasa iyo, ba?
Ang ingay niya po. Hi, Besh. No feedings of animals. Paano ko? Paano kakain? Cannot feed me anymore. Oh my god, that's so corny. Let's go here.
What animal are you?
Horse.
There's no... Hi! So guys, today I'm with... What's this? Vince?
It's Vinzikiel.
Vince.
Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, push the notification bell. Bam.
Don't subscribe guys. Come on.
Welcome to my mansion.
You walk to the back, then you can see the seaside. Yeah,
Guys, welcome to my vacation house. This is actually my vacation house. I spent like $2,000 million just to build this one. And we have a jetty viewpoint right behind this. Let's go.
Ay, ito pala yung check
Come on in. Ang init, and now we're here at Visitor Center of Pulau Ubin, and it's kind of old structure. And we're going to the next stop, and it's really hot right now. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and look at us. Ang init na, guys. Namumula na yung mga tigyawat ko.
So what's the next stop? Lake?
Yeah, but it's further out though. Okay.
We'll leave this Kelvin. Anyway, he don't have boyfriend, so it's okay. We can leave him alone.
So, ang init! Oh, I thought this is champagne. Champagne! Init. Naging tropa ko na sila.
Too much gas, huh?
You know how you were saying about
Exactly.
We are still here walking.
Okay, nasa dagat kami pero nakapayong kami. And look at my bangs, my fringe. It looks so weird. Ang init.
We're under the sea.
Look at the view, guys. It's really nice, diba? Where is it leading us? Gago eh. Pasa siya sa akin. At ayan po, nasa dagat kami pero nangangkapayong kaming lahat. Ang saya-saya. At ako'y third wheeler. Walang partner. Ang galing mo, Kelvin. Ayun pala, hindi siya third wheel. Fifth wheel tayo, guys. Kasi wala tayong partner. Ang galing-galing. Sana all may jowa. Ayun, mag-asawa. Ito, mag-jowa. Future mag-asawa. Eh, ikaw, Kelvin. Nga ka, wala akong partner. Really hurts.
TikTok dance.
Careful ah, Marika. Pindrop na ah.
Oh, they have a lobster here. A mad lobster.
You ask
Talasina Anumala.
You ask he's always watching on my Instagram.
Oh, really? So guys, malapit na kami dun sa viewing deck, which we are going to climb up ng parang 4 levels yung ka-climb up namin. So it's gonna be hard and it's gonna be hot.
Kaya ganun.
Oh, mahulog ka.
Pag nahulog ako dito.
Yeah, so aakyat kami dun sa viewing deck where we will see the ocean.
Yes, correct guys. And
Malaysia.
we're not big vlogs.
But then, mainit. Sobrang init niya. Ito na siya. Pero mag-mask tayo.
Akit tayo dyan.
Oo.
Mahuhulog.
Hindi, tataklan kita. Huwag ka maingay. And yes, namumula na ako. Pulang-pula na yung mga tigyawat ko. At bahala na, sunod tayo guys. And yan na. The Monica right there, she doesn't know how to use her brake. Okay, I need to climb up!
Ako na naman.
Hala, ang daming unggoy! You guys need to hide the plastic, I guess. See all those monkeys? Oh my god, they're all coming out. Yes. Hi, buddy. How are you? What's up, buddy? How are you doing? Pagod na ako. Pulang-pula ng mukha ko. Pimples ko nagwawala na. Pero laban. Laban. Laban, laban, laban! I'm so tired. Ano, laban? Laban! Okay, this is so refreshing, guys. And it's gonna be fun! Woo! We just roam around Pulau Ubin and it's kind of hot. And yan. So, nangitim ako. Sayang yung pampaputi. Joke. At yung pimples ko, nagwala na naman sila. Pulang-pula na naman yung mukha ko. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do it again. But then, I just need to relax my face, put some eyes on it. And yeah, it's like almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And we're going back to the city. So, I might just end the vlog now. And yeah, we're just waiting for the ferry para makabalik na. See you guys later. At hindi ako makamulagat ng maayos. Makamulat, I mean. It's because the sun is too bright, you know? So, yeah. See you guys later. That's the end of my vlog. So see you guys on my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and push the notification bell for more video updates. Bye! And we're inside the ferry now.